Namaste, Ajayasthomani Guru family. It's Nina here, ready to dive into the latest developments in the commodities market. Today, on the 18th of June 2024, we are shining a spotlight on sugar, a sweet commodity that's causing quite a stir. We've seen prices dip recently, and there's a lot of debate about whether we are headed for a surplus or a potential shortage. Let's unpack the factors influencing the sugar market and explore the conflicting forecasts for the months ahead. The recent dip in sugar prices can be largely attributed to Brazil, the world's leading sugar producer. Their latest harvest has been nothing short of impressive, with production figures soaring over 11% compared to the previous year. It's not just the quantity, either. Brazil is also allocating a larger share of its sugarcane towards sugar production instead of ethanol. This surge in supply is undeniably putting downward pressure on global sugar prices. Looking at the broader picture, the question on everyone's lips is whether we are on the brink of a global sugar surplus. Zarnicao, a major player in the sugar market, is firmly in the surplus camp, predicting an excess of 5.5 million metric tons in the upcoming season. This would certainly push prices down even further. However, the situation isn't so straightforward. India, another key player in the sugar market, has been grappling with severe rain shortages. These adverse weather conditions have taken a toll on their sugarcane crop, leading to a drop in production of over 1%. The delayed monsoon season adds to the uncertainty, as it could further hamper their output. Even with these production challenges, demand for sugar remains robust. The International Sugar Organization, ISO, recently revised its global deficit forecast upwards, indicating a larger gap between supply and demand than initially anticipated. This increased demand is partly fueled by growing consumption in India, highlighting the complex interplay of factors in the sugar market. Adding another layer of complexity, labor strikes at sugar mills in Australia caused disruptions in their production, particularly for the country's largest sugar producer. This unexpected development adds to the volatility of the market and underscores the importance of keeping an eye on global events. So, what does all of this mean for the sugar market's future? The reality is that the situation is far from clear-cut. We have Brazil's booming production, India's weather-related struggles, and a consistently strong global demand. Analysts are divided, with BMI projecting a modest surplus and the USDA forecasting record-breaking production levels. One thing's for certain, the sugar market is in for an exciting and potentially turbulent period. As always, weather patterns in major production areas like Brazil and India will play a pivotal role. Keep a close watch on these developments, as they could significantly impact the global supply and ultimately, the price of sugar. If you found this update informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more insightful market analysis, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.